Hey traders, a quick one here on nat gas, coal, silver and crude oil. Starting with natural gas. So what do we have right here? As you can see, we were expecting a good push up right here. We got a nice push up above 50 EMA pullback, bullish engulfer, but unfortunately the price didn't push up in my direction, and that was unfortunately a stop loss hit right here. And that is totally cool. That's a part of trading. We did have some nice trades out of nat gas, and that's a part of a business. So now what to expect from here? Let's remove that mess from here. Price is now broken below 50 and 20 EMA both, and is now breaking below this zone as well. So at this point we are not bullish here anymore for nat gas. Price did push up nicely. We did have a nice bullish move all the way from here. It did pushed up to my zone right here. This zone reacted nicely, and now price is pushing down because price has now broken below this previous low, and as a signal price will likely to push back down. Now for the bearish confirmation, it is already a bearish confirmation, so we can get a possible pullback of few green candles followed by a bearish engulfer and a possible fall from here. So this is one of the entry condition, a pullback, bearish engulfer, and the other one is with my favorite Fibonacci tool, and I have a reason to plot my Fib tool right here just to calculate your pullback, which is right here. Mark your buffer zone from 25% to 50% retracement. This is your buffer zone. If you have a pullback hit of 50 MA, aggressive entry will be hit of 50 MA with a limit order. Target can be 180 or 1.618 retracement. So this is an aggressive way to enter this trade. Less aggressive way will be a pullback of few red candles followed by green candles followed by a bearish engulfer and a possible fall. If price falls, breaks below this zone, in that case we will use this zone, which is 2.116, as a trend continuation zone. Less aggressive way will be again bearish engulfer from this zone. Double top from this zone will be a less aggressive way, and aggressive way will be, let's say the candle closes here, pull your Fibonacci tool from right here from swing low to the zone, and then we will use the buffer zone, something like this. So once I see a pullback, in that case I will use my Fibonacci tool, something like this. That is what I'm looking at for nat gas. Bearish, not taking any buy trades from now. So here on currency.com, exactly the same. Mark your Fib tool like this. Use 50% retracement from 25% retracement right here, a pullback and a bearish trade, something like this. So that is what I'm looking at. I'm not using this zone as my support area, the upper level at least. I will use the lower level for my support zone if you have a bullish signal there. So still bearish, now bearish for nat gas. Let's check gold. Right, we got a nice swing high engulfing pattern right here, a valid condition for gold. So that is one of my sell condition. Now I'm looking at possible fall out of gold, and I'm expecting at least $10 fall from here, which is around 1977.75. So that is what I'm looking at. If you want to keep your stop loss above the wick, that is something you want to do like that, and keep go 1 to 1. So my initial target will be 180, which is $10 push down. So once the price pushes down, I'm expecting a further bearish move until the price hit the zone. Again, 1959.62 goes down to 1947.26, the zone from where we are going to enter our buy trade. So bearish, now we have a good bearish signal, a swing high engulfing candle is one of my entry pattern for pullback strategy. Let's check silver. So silver is now pushing down, and this is not a valid double bottom pattern if you are wondering. So we can still get a push down out of silver and get a good bullish engulfer or my double bottoms. We can still get a push down to a lower level of this zone, which is 20.23, from where we can look for our buy trades. For now, we are bearish for silver as well, not buying silver for now. Let's check crude oil. So crude oil is nicely pushing down in my direction, marked in my last few videos, and now again mark the zones on your charts, which is 74.88 goes down to 73.44, a zone from where we are going to enter our buy trade, bullish engulfers, double bottoms, or my pin bar. That was a weird drawing. That is what I'm looking at for commodities. Any questions, any confusions, you can always DM me on Instagram. I'll get back to ASAP. Again, I only have a social links linked in my YouTube videos description. That is only the social media accounts I have. If you get a message from any other account, make sure you double check that with my links in the description. If it's not the one, then it's not me, because there are few accounts that are pretending to be me. So be careful with these type of scammers. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.